Yeah, I kind of screwed it up. Sorry, Bumble.
I don't know who that is.
That's Smashing Pumpkins.
Of course it is.
Soma.
Soma.
Siamese Dream. Yeah, man, I'm sorry. I love that song so much. Such a good song.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Great Measures, and a big happy birthday to B, which is Bumblefluff, or Lawrence's significant other.
Okay.
We're doing this one for her. My name is Richard, this is Judson. The band is called Wolfalice. They are an English rock band. The song is called...
An English rock band, isn't it?
Yep. In it.
All right, bruv.
The song is called Delicious Things. It was released, let me make sure I get this right. It was released in 2021 on an album called Blue Weekend.
Oh, Blue Weekend. Wolfalice.
Yep. Wolfalice.
This is his thing. Is this his or this hers?
This is a gift from Lawrence to his lady love.
Okay.
Lawrence has been a longtime friend of the channel, so he reached out and asked if we would do him a favor.
Of course.
It's a pretty nice gesture.
I mean, we can't judge
I
whether
don't
or
think
not.
of things like that.
Yeah, we can't judge whether or not it's pretty. We're just doing what he says, you know?
Yeah.
Because he's cool.
He is. He's all right with me.
All right, then. Well, let's listen to it.
Let's do it.
See how we can tear it apart.
All right, this is delicious.
Well, hold on a second. Okay, I'm ready now.
This is Delicious Things by Wolfalice.
Wolfalice, Delicious Things. Proceed, Richard.
inside me, though I think he is a bad man. He liked the fact that I play music in a band. He's making a movie and the score needs a hand. Feel like I'm falling, dreams slowly stalling. Extravagance disguises elegance is boring. I don't belong here, though it really is quite funny. Hey, it's money, it's just me, I felt like all day.
What were you expecting? Because you were not expecting that.
I was expecting something heavy. I was expecting to get hit in the face.
Sure, the name's got wolf in it.
I mean, I don't know. You know, I don't know. I guess I just expected it to be some pretty crazy metal or something.
Yeah.
And it wasn't.
No, it was cool.
No, dude, I loved it.
I know. I could tell. I could tell.
Do you not like this kind of stuff?
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, it reminds me, I don't know if this is, obviously my knowledge of this kind of stuff doesn't go very deeply, but it reminds
What do you
me,
mean this kind of stuff?
like this style of music.
That's racist.
How is that racist?
I don't know.
It's got a Lana Del Rey feel to it.
Yeah, man.
Like chamber.
It's just got a lot of
sounding.
feel to it.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
It's just got a lot of feel to it.
Yeah. It's cool.
I mean, yeah. I'm sorry I cut you off, Lana Del Rey.
No, you're good. It's just it's got like this chamber pop type feel to it.
I mean, I don't know. I mean,
like a garage rock sound almost.
Sort of.
too.
I mean, I like the. It's an English band, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so I'm always looking out for English bands. I just like their whole vibe.
Well, you found a new one.
Yeah, I did. I can't believe it. Yeah, I've been looking for something like this to listen to. I dig this kind. I drive a lot, so
Yeah.
So this is driving, thinking music.
Driving music for sure.
But then just the whole tearing it apart and the bass coming in,
Yeah.
I mean, it's a softer, like the whole Gorillaz thing. Just the subtle funkness of it, and then the synthesizer stuff, and then there's wah pedal guitar going on in there, and then her singing. So she must be Alice.
Maybe, I don't know. I didn't look that far into the band.
I mean, I really like Portishead and just the trip hop stuff. which this is not. I don't think this would necessarily be that, but the bass gets me, and her singing, the whisper, whispering over
I
a
like
bit.
her voice.
And I like any time in a song when they sort of do a break and then it sounds like somebody talking through a telephone. I just like, that's at the beginning of that band that we can't mention from England.
Mm-hmm.
That's at
Yeah, I
the
think she
beginning.
was
Wish you were
in
here.
the lyrics. She was calling to speak to her mom. Because the premise of the lyrics, from what I can understand, is she's in Los Angeles, like with her music career, trying to start her music career, and it's just her interactions with people throughout the day.
And what's the name of the song again?
Delicious Things.
Delicious Things. Yeah, I'm intrigued. I'll be looking this up. I'll listen to this song again today.
Yeah, I know you will. I could tell you got really
I
excited.
loved it, man. Yeah, I don't know. I just didn't expect it. I didn't expect that to happen. I've been looking. I'm really into female singers right now. That's why I like the gouge away stuff. I don't know. I'm really into the female singing right now.
Okay.
Because growing up, I never.
And I'm racist.
Racist. And I never really listened. I never really listened to. Am I racist too? I guess we're just figuring some things
racist
out
against
today.
men.
Oh man. we just two racist bastards.
We are from the South.
No, don't add to it. I was trying to.
People hear our accents. They're
I was
obviously
gonna make it go away, and then you just added to it. I haven't listened. I didn't listen to many bands that had a lot of female singers growing up, other than Aretha Franklin, just some old stuff. And Carrie King, listen to Carrie King sing a lot.
Yeah, you did.
Celine.
The GOAT.
No, but I've notable other female singers or bands that Lauryn Hill and stuff like that.
Toni Braxton.
That's on you, dog. That's on you. Whitney, but we're not talking about bands.
Right.
Lauryn Hill has more of a thing, or did have more of a thing with that, but.
No doubt, Cranberries.
Yeah, but just never really. Lately, I've been looking into really wanting to hear more.
Yeah.
Of that and searching out for that solely. I don't know why. Probably because of this, hearing Ginger and Spirit Box and Nightwish.
Yeah.
But that's just very recently. That's what I've been doing. So I appreciate the.
Yeah, I'm glad you
the
got to hear
lead
it.
on wolfalice.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's so. It's just walking. It just kind of walks along with your thoughts.
Yeah.
And just the break and going back into the verses with the bass. I think that is the coolest thing ever. It's a simple deal, It's a simple formula, but there's just nothing cooler than a cool pace. It's a drum beat that's pacing, and then the bass coming in, and then her singing. Man, I'm hooked.
Yeah.
And then just the synthesizer stuff, all that come in, and it's really cool to go to the major key on the pre-chorus thing. It's everything I like in a song, Initially, if we were just going to talk about because I can listen to this and think about whatever and go off on my own tangent in my mind, and then it can drop back, and I can it's meditative to me.
Okay.
This song was a meditation for me. Will be. I like it. Whatever you want me to say, Ricky.
That's it, man.
Why you look at
That
me
works
like
for
I'm
me.
Like a racist or something.
That works for me. I'm glad you liked it.
I really did.
Cool. Well, that's all I got.
Happy birthday. I feel like I've gotten a gift.
Happy birthday to me.
I feel like I've gotten a gift, in this whole thing.
Well, thanks for watching, everybody.
And thanks for showing me the song.
You're welcome. And
Oh, it throws you off
it
now.
does. It does.
I'm gonna do it every time.
Happy birthday to B. Hope you had a wonderful day and will continue to have a wonderful day.
What day do you think it is over there?
I don't know.
Okay.
Shout out to Lawrence, aka Bumblefluff, longtime
Bumblefluff.
friend of the channel. Thanks for the request. We are Great Measures.
Great Measures.
My name is Richard. This is Judson. That was Delicious Things by wolfalice. Have a wonderful day, everybody.